Meet Echo Spot.
Hi there.
A compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
The all-new Echo Spot from Amazon.
Say hello to Echo Show 5. It connects to Alexa to show you rich visuals with crisp room-filling sound. Listen to your favorite music from all your favorite places. Manage compatible smart home devices with the Echo Show 5. And with Alexa routines, just ask Alexa to turn on the lights, switch on the geyser and more with a single command. Echo Show 5 can stream your favorite music videos, movie trailers and how-to videos. It can also help you with the latest cricket score or the news. Ask Alexa to help you manage your day by setting reminders, adding things to your shopping cart and more. Alexa, remind me about yoga class at 4 p.m.
Setting a reminder for yoga class at 4 p.m.
Call your Alexa contacts and Skype contacts like your friend Sanjay.
Calling Sanjay.
Hey you can instantly connect to another device with drop-in. Alexa, drop in on Dad. Hi Pa. It can check in on your little human like this. Alexa, show me the kids' room. Best of all, Echo Show 5 and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Show 5 from Amazon.
Say hello to Echo Flex, a compact cordless Echo device controlled by your voice and Alexa. It plugs directly into a wall outlet, enabling you to make any space smarter, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or any space of your preference. Alexa, switch on the lights. Alexa can turn on the lights, switch on the geyser and more with a single command. She can make calls or send messages to anyone with an Echo device or the Alexa app, help you set alarms, add items to your shopping list, or create daily reminders. With the Echo Flex, you can communicate with other Echo devices within your home and also make announcements. Alexa, announce dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
With a built-in USB-A port, you can now charge your phone on this device. You can now talk to Alexa in Hindi as well. Just say, Alexa, तुम कैसी हो?
आपने पूछ लिया, बस दिल garden हो गया.
Best of all, Echo Flex and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Flex. Say hello to Amazon Echo 3rd Gen, a hands-free speaker that is controlled by your voice and Alexa. It features premium speakers powered by Dolby Play 360-degree audio for crisp vocals and dynamic bass. Just ask Alexa to play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play latest Bollywood songs.
Playing latest Bollywood songs.
Alexa can set alarms, tell you the news, remind you of any event and more. Alexa, play my flash briefing.
Here's your flash briefing.
You can turn on the lights, switch on the geyser, and more with a single command. You can also call Alexa and Skype contacts by just using your voice. Alexa, call Dad.
Calling Dad.
You can now talk to Alexa in Hindi as well. Just say, Alexa, तुम कैसी हो?
आपने पूछ लिया, बस दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया.
Best of all, Amazon Echo and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Amazon Echo from Amazon. Say hello to Echo Studio, a smart speaker controlled by your voice and Alexa. It features 5 speakers to deliver powerful bass and crisp high frequencies, and comes with Dolby Atmos processing, making it the best sounding Echo device. Alexa, play rock music.
Here's a station for rock music.
Echo Studio automatically senses the acoustics of any room and customizes sound quality to suit your space. Just ask Alexa to play all your favorite music from all your favorite places and listen to music like never before. The Echo Studio has a built-in smart hub that can set up your compatible smart home devices in seconds. Just say, Alexa, discover my devices.
Discovering devices.
And Echo Studio does the rest. You can also call your Alexa and Skype contacts by just using your voice. Alexa, call Dad.
Calling Dad.
You can now talk to Alexa in Hindi as well. Just say, Alexa, तुम कैसी हो?
आपने पूछ लिया, बस दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया.
Best of all, Echo Studio and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Studio from Amazon.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.